Hello there. I'm going to show you how to do a Flappy Butterfly. We're going to be using a function called if then else, and we're going to make our butterfly go upwards when the up arrow is pressed. Now when he's dropping to the ground, that will happen when nothing is pressed. So we're using if then else. If the up arrow is pressed, the butterfly will go up. If nothing is pressed and I let go, then he will fall down to the ground. It's a bit like the popular game Flappy Birds. Works in exactly the same way. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's minimize the screen. Here you can see my code and then you can see my butterfly. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, first of all, I'm going to delete my butterfly, this one, and then so I can show you how to do the code. Find yourself a nice backdrop first, so you can choose one of these from here. I'm going to stick with the same one, so I'm just going to go back, and now I'm going to choose a sprite. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go and choose a sprite. I'm going to go to animals, and then I'm going to go to butterfly 2, so I'll put that one there. So here's butterfly 2, and then I need to start my code. Remember, the first thing you need to do is go to events and instruct that when the flag is clicked, my code will start working. So when the flag is clicked, it will then start. Then I'm going to go to control. So I'm going to control, and then I'm going to go to forever. So forever, and then if, then else. I need to do a sensing, so I need to sense which key is going to be pressed. So I go to the light blue sensing, and then when the key space is pressed, and I'm going to change this to the up arrow. And now I need instructions. So I will then go to motion, and then I will look for change Y by 5 to go upwards. It works the same way, it's like coordinates in maths. Y is up and down, and X is left and right. When we change Y by 5, we are moving the sprite upwards. If we're changing something by -5, then it is going down. So again, we must do change Y by -5 to go downwards. So when the up arrow is pressed, it will go up, and else, if nothing is pressed, it will go down. Let's do a test. So let's do the green flag, and then we can test it. That's great, it works, brilliant. Okay, I'm going to add to this now by doing a change costume. So let's move that code up there. What we're going to do is we want to make the butterfly look like it's actually flying. So we're going to go back to events, make sure this is a separate piece of code. So I'm going to put when the green flag is clicked here. We're going to go to control, and then I'm going to go to forever, do the forever loop. I'm then going to go to looks, and then I'm going to look for next costume, and I will put this here. Let's press the green flag to test it. Now I think that's going just slightly too fast, so let's go back to control, and we're going to look for something here called wait. I'm going to put wait 1 second, but now I think this is too slow, so we need a number in between. So the number I'm going to go for 0.5, which is 1/2. Well, let's test this now and see if this works. Yes, perfect.